This video explains how to use the electric hob at Evergreen House. So first of all, please ensure that this is on, otherwise you'll have no power. If you come to the hob and you see H on the rings, these mean that these are hot. And you can see the corresponding ring by the circle. So this one corresponds to this corresponds to the rear one. To turn on the hob, you just push this button, and then you push the plus button. To go down, push the minus button, it goes down to 1. Now, should you wish to turn this off and you've got other rings on, you just push this down and it goes to 0, and that will turn this off. This can go up to 9, and it heats up quickly, as you can see. Now, if you wish to turn everything off, you just push the power button. So remember to do this, so everything's off. And this will flash to indicate that these rings are hot. And that's how to use the electric hob. Thank you.